A good Erev Shabbos from beautiful Montenegro. I thought I'd share with you an idea that is a bit fascinating. It connects with the Daf Yomi that we had a few days ago, Daf Nun Ches, in Mesechtes Baba Basra, where Rabbanoi visits Maras HaMachpelah in order to delineate the Kvorim, to protect Klal Yisrael from Kedusha, from Tumah rather, to protect Klal Yisrael from walking over Mekomis with Tumah. And as such, what happens is that Rabbanoi visits Maras HaMachpelah, and Eliezer, Eved Avram, asks Rishus from Avram for him to go in. He goes in, and then he goes to the second cave, the inner cave, whether it means a cave below, a cave above, or a cave to the side, to Machlaikis. Regardless, he sees where Adam HaRishon is buried. But we know that he cannot see the body of Adam HaRishon, because Adam HaRishon, the Gemara says, is Daim L'Shchina, but he's zeichet to see, believe it or not, the heels of Adam HaRishon. And the Gemara tells us that what he sees is, he sees the heels of Adam HaRishon, which look like a ball of the fire of the sun. Each heel looks like a ball of the fire of the sun. So I was thinking, what a beautiful pshat. V'haya Ekev Tishma'un is this week's parasha. V'haya Ekev Tishma'un, which Rashi tells us, Im HaMitzvahs Kalos She'adam Dash Ba'akavav. Perhaps this Rashi is referring to Adam HaRishon. Adam HaRishon was Dash Ba'akavav. He walked in these places, and these mitzvahs. He was careful with these mitzvahs. He didn't trounce on the mitzvahs. He did these mitzvahs carefully and treated them with respect and humbleness. And therefore, the effort that Adam HaRishon put into doing his mitzvahs resulted in his heels, the mitzvahs that we might have stepped on otherwise, we might have treated too lightly, shining brightly like a ball of fire. Can you imagine the greater mitzvahs, what the schar of Adam HaRishon was? So perhaps that's why Adam HaRishon also was a cluster of the Shechina, because the Hashras HaShechina was totally embodying Adam HaRishon because of his effort in doing mitzvahs. We too can achieve and strive for greatness in doing the mitzvahs, not by just doing them, but how we do them. Can you imagine if we opened the door to give an ani tzedakah, and we did it with a smile and we welcomed them in? Can you imagine if we were excited about davening, if we were excited about going to learn Torah, if we were enthused about all the mitzvahs that we do on a daily basis, that we do anyway, but we did it with a level of enthusiasm? Then those mitzvahs that we are Ekev Tishma'un, that we might treat or trounce on lightly or trod lightly on, could also result in us having our heels shine like the Shechina, or shine like the fireball of the sun, as the Gemara tells us on Daf Nun Ches. May it be with the will of Rabbeinu Shalom that we all have the Hislavus in our Avodas Hashem, so that we too are zocheh to treat our mitzvahs and our effort in our mitzvahs with the same grandeur of our forefather Adam HaRishon. Have a wonderful Shabbos.